remember, back and forward. If I did my tone skin too dark, I can use a putty rubber as a baguette and roll it on top of my drawing to remove dark tone. How many times I have to apply this method? It is up to you. I like shading a lot and keep on following my instinct, and I do what I feel. That's why often I exaggerated and I put too much dark. That's why I have to go ahead and remove the dark patches with a putty rubber. Cross etching, it is excellent method to explain the shape of the cheekbone. Does it exist one specific way how to do it? No. I suggest you drawing the lines around the shape, and then you will have a wonderful cross etching. Okay, welcome back, my friends. We are at the 4th episode, and my video lessons are different because they talk about my log book of art, and it is special because there is no structure. I talk about my journey of art, and every time it will be different. I'm going to show you the salient parts of the drawing, and as you may see, I have already spread by using charcoal the dark tone on the hair. With the rubber, I attempt to figure out the position of the light by removing the charcoal. This abstract method, by using shape of the light, helps me to see where is the beginning of the ear. I attempt to draw again the edge of the jaw until the lower part of the ear. This is the proof if my calculation were correct when I placed the ear in relation of other parts of the drawing. If you feel struggling to create connection from the ear, jaw, and chin, it means that there is some mistakes in proportions. I stop doing the details if this connection doesn't work. Okay, it means that I have to move the angle of the hair slightly, like 2 millimeters, towards the center of the drawing. I may also compare the distance from chin and nose to eye and top of the ear. Furthermore, I can use my instinct and I can judge the distance from the nose and the left side of the ear. When I tried all possible roads, I have to take a risk, and I'm going to draw the outline of the hair. And once I established the top, I bring down vertical line and I will meet the lower part of the hair, and then I start. Be concrete. This method helps you to reduce mistakes. In fact, it has happened often, even to me in the past, that I finished details, for example, in this case, the hair, and I realized that it was in a wrong position. Don't use the same point of view. For example, now I want to figure out distance from nose and hairline and here. And I change my perspective and I look from the hair to the hairline. Okay, I think is enough. If you want to continue to see whole video about this portrait, you may consider to subscribe at my Patreon page. It is not expensive, but you will have free access at all my content. Follow the description box below. Okay, thank you. See you soon.